Circulated Zuma, a massive hole in the world of academia. May you rest in peace. Let's now cross over to the county of Nyeri, and concern is growing over the safety of the Sagana Falls that residents say has become a death trap. Earlier today, the body of a 16-year-old boy who died at the falls was finally recovered. Gabriel Muturi had gone to the waters for a swim, but after diving, never resurfaced. Our new Central Kenya reporter Raquel Muigai is on that story tonight.
3 days after Gabriel Muturi fell into his death, the family's worst fears were finally confirmed. Muturi's body was retrieved after it resurfaced afloat the waters at the Sagana Falls in Muruguru, Nyeri County. The divers tying a rope to his body as they pulled him ashore. A sense of relief for his family that was beginning to lose hope of at least affording their kin a decent burial. However, this is an all too familiar occurrence here at Sagana Falls in Muruguru, Nyeri County. The men in the area have with time become professional divers, as they often get to dive into the waters to retrieve bodies of people who either commit suicide or meet their death as they try to swim.
Niko na miaka 30 na kitu, na wenye wamepotesha maisha kwa hii ni zaidi ya watu hata karibu 200.
Kama miaka 4 imepita, hata mtoto wangu aliangukia pale na akaenda na huyu mtu, tukamtoa tukamsika. Sasa nikaona mwaka hiyo ingine ikisha mwezi wa 9 kuna msichana alianguka hapa.
Sagana Falls is to many Kenyans a place of relaxation and adventures as its waters extend to the Sagana River in Murang'a County, where many get to go for water rafting and kayaking. Moreover, the Kenya Electricity Generating Company, KenGen, draws water for generation here at the Sagana River in Muruguru. With other parts of the Sagana River being guarded, this area in Muruguru is open to anyone, and to the local residents, it is an ongoing disaster.
Sasa sisi tukiwaongeleza unakuta wanatutukana hiyo vijana. Wanakujaga wengi. Si wenyeji wanakufaga kwa hii maji, ni wageni.
Tuko na maombi kwa county government ijaribu kuweka permanent fence na iandike watu wa kuguide watu wa kupeleka watu kwa mto juu watoto wengi wanakuja kuona hiyo mto na wanapotelea hapo.
This is the wooden bridge that is meant to separate humans from these ridges that get filled up with water. However, due to lack of guardrails, many have been swept away by the raging waters and disappeared with no trace.
Hakuna ule mpango ambao umewekwa kwa vijana wale wanajua kuogelea kujitayarisha in the eventuality that kuna yeyote ambaye ataweza kudrown ama kuzama maji pale, sababu hakuna picnic tayari.
The Deputy County Commissioner is warning the youth and other area residents from visiting the site until security measures and disaster management teams